Born ready. Here we go. All right, so we're going to review our long division notes, gentlemen, by doing another problem together. We already know that our steps, we've got dirty monkeys smell bad sometimes. What does the D in dirty stand for, Jalen?
Division.
Division. The first step is to divide. Then we've got dirty monkeys. What does the M stand for? Eli?
Multiply.
Multiply. So we divide, we multiply. Dirty monkeys, they smell. What is that step? Oh, Lana.
Subtract.
Subtract. We divide, we multiply, we subtract. Dirty monkeys smell bad. What does the B stand for? Madison? Bring down. We have to bring down our next digit. And then once we do that, the reason this is called long division, or dirty monkeys smell bad sometimes, what is the S? That last S stand for? Freddie?
Start over.
Start over. That's why it's long division. You repeat the steps over and over and over again. All right? So let's set up our problem. Okay? We are going to do 56 as our dividend. 56 divided by 4. So my first step is to divide. Now remember, if you have your sticky note, everyone should have their sticky note still. What are you going to do with your sticky note to help you know what to do? What are you going to do, Moses?
Put it over the 6.
Put it over the 6. Cover the 6. So we're only looking at 5 divided by 4. Wait, what? 5 divided by 4? I can't, but I can, Jalen.
Wow.
How many times can 5 go into 4?
0.
No. I heard it once. Ooh, I heard it 20. That's multiplying. Remember, that's step 2. I'm not there. I am on step 1, divide. So I got y'all, because everyone we did in group, they were nice and perfect, right? Told you they're not always perfect. Can 5 go into, can I make a group of 4 out of 5?
Yes.
And that's all division is, right? Making groups, separating. I'm going to, hold on to that thought, Eli. Oh, not yet. Don't go so far as remainders. We're not there yet. But Eli said I'm going to have one left over, so hold on to what Eli said. Don't worry about remainders yet. And let's think about this. How many groups of 4 can I make out of 5? What did you already, I see some fingers. 1, right? So I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to put it above the 5. Okay? Ooh, I don't want it to be yellow. 1. That's my divide, right? Remember when we were playing with the blocks and we were dividing things into groups? They weren't always perfect. But I can make a group of 4 out of 5 blocks. But I only can do it once. What is my next step? So I've done my division. What's my next step? Casey Lynn?
You divide. No, multiply.
I multiply. Remember, we like to put our multiplication symbol right there at the corner of the division bar. So we remember what we're multiplying. I am always multiplying the divisor by whatever I put into the quotient. So I put a 1 into the quotient. So I am multiplying 4 times 1. What is 4 times 1, Stormy?
4.
4. I write that down under the 5. What is the next step? Look at your steps. We've done division. We've done multiplication. What's next, Raymond?
Subtract.
Subtract. Dirty monkeys smell bad. They smell. 5 minus 4 is, Eli?
1.
There's that leftover he was talking about. That 1. What is my next step? What is my next step? You've got your notes right in front of you. Trust yourself. What do we do, Connor?
Bring down.
We bring down. What digit are we bringing down?
6.
6. Now, will you look at what we just made? 16.
Oh.
16. Look at that. 16. So when I brought down the 6, there wasn't a 0 in the tens place. There was already that 1 from subtracting. Now I have 16. What is my next step? Casey Lynn?
Start over.
Start over. So now I'm thinking, whoa, why did I do that? Now I'm thinking my app is going crazy. I start over. Now I think 16 divided by 4. Is that a fact you know?
Yes.
It's a fact you should know.
Oh, yeah.
What is 16 divided by 4? Because I started over, so I'm back at division. What's 16 divided by 4? Cortland?
3.
No, I think I can get closer than 3. So then if I go to my next step, multiply, 4 times 3 is 12. I think I can get closer than that. Think I can get closer. Layla? 4. So then 16 divided by, so I'm over here, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Put it right over that 6. And all of you had pulled that sticky note off because you're like, now I'm moving on. I've moved on to my next digit. So now is where we go to the next step. I have done division. Now what do I need to do? What do I need to do, Stormy?
Bring down.
Nope. Slow down.
Start over. Oh, wait.
I already started over. I did division. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Multiply. What do I multiply? This is where it always gets kind of tricky. Remember, where we wrote our symbol. What do I multiply, Zeke?
4.
4 times 4. I multiply the divisor by what I put into the quotient. 4 times 4 is 16. So now I've multiplied. What is the next step after multiply? Dirty monkeys smell. What's the next step? Subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. What's my next step?
Bring down.
Do I have any other digits to bring down? No, so I am done. And I can check it with multiplication. Okay, I can check it with multiplication. I can do my quotient, 14, times 4, my divisor, and what should it equal? 56. Check it.